Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo on Sunday 28 April 2024 don celebrate in Thanksgiving for 3 churches wey be Church of God Mission International Edo North Zone 3 headquarters, Cathedral of St. James Anglican Communion, Diocese of Akoko Edo, and All Faith Calvaries, all for Igara, Akoko Edo local government area of Edo State. Omobayo first offer in Thanksgiving for Church of God Mission, where the presiding pastor Reverend Sam Agbaruju come describe the Deputy Governor's appointment as a precious gift for the people of Akoko Edo in particular and Edo State at large. Oga Omobayo talk say na Church of God International Edo North Zone 3 headquarters na im dey always come every December 31st and na there im dey take make a New Year resolutions. E still talk say,
but una know say every 31st I must come this church except I no dey Nigeria. No 31st, I dey come quietly and na here I dey protect my New Year resolution for several years. Quietly I go just go and comot. And any year when I miss am, not be say God no dey bless, but e no dey dey as impactful as I dey come, because you know say if you get there you dey go like Babalawo and you dey get result there na there you dey go. So no matter where I dey except I no dey Nigeria, every December 31st I must come here even if na 1 minute to 12. I go worship my God, I go surrender my resolution to am. So far he has been very good to me as a person, to my family, to Akoko Edo and to Edo State. And the smallest wey go happen to us na be this. Just to let you know say God plan im own game different from human being game. God game na God game, na only sabi play am. So if God fit raise poor man pikin like me to make am Deputy Governor, nothing wey go do for una pikin.
From Church of God Mission International Edo North Zone 3 headquarters, the Deputy Governor with family and friends come enter the Cathedral of St. James Anglican Communion, Diocese of Akoko Edo, where the Bishop Emmanuel Omeza come pray for the Deputy Governor and those wey follow and come.
In Christ the Lord, the solid rock, you will continue to stand. God will be with you. I pray for your team. They will continue to be a winning team. Deceivers will not come near you. And this is another prayer I will pray for you from this altar. In your dream, may God speak to you. Men can lie to you, but God will never lie to you. May God reveal things to you. When you wake up in the morning, you will have direction. Because God has told you what to do at night.
For in thank you speech, Omobayo talk say as in dey worry for House of Rep, he no know say God dey plan something better for am when he go take help him people. He still talk say,
on behalf of Edo State government, I bring my greetings. I be una own, una know me, na me be Marvelous Omobayo for that person. All through my campaigns, 2023, late 2022, I know they let una rest, I mean. And they come here, they run, come out, run, they beg. But you know what thing? God again, it's different from human being, no. As I dey worry for House of Rep, beg, jump everywhere. Now try very well for me, I say make I tackle that again. God will bless you. And I know say I win that election well. The whole world see am, international observers witness am. We win the election overwhelmingly, but you get some people when they call political buccaneers, and they don't sell their soul, give a shoe. They know they like very good things they try. But as we play that game, they look at God just a laugh. Oh boy, don't worry. I will give you the one way pass. This one not be anything. Now springboard, then they call springboard. If you chose something for waiting the bounce, you go shoot her, go. So as I pursue us of Rep, God said no. You go take Deputy Governor to help your people. We will thank God. We will thank who God used.
To round up the Thanksgiving services, Omobayo come also carry waka enter All Faith Calvaries, where the founder and general overseer of the church, Apostle Isaac Billions Itaku, come talk say,
because now who don't believe, they know the value of where food come. Now who don't learn, they know the value of good health when you are healed. Now who never go priest, they know the value of freedom. I want to thank God that today, in the whole of Edo State, nobody will look at Akoko Edo and say, no one Otani was here, Oloja was here. More than 10 real fathers were here that day. And I said, look at the real fathers gathered here to thank God. And we are crying for against marginalization of Godwin. I said, see, only one person God need to raise to break this soul. Get the video out. I said, only one person. Just one person. It's not only people that saved the world. Who saved the world? Just one man. How many Holy Ghost we have? Just one Holy Spirit. How many God we have? Just one. God doesn't need two people to do anything. Just one is enough. Now let me tell you, if God wants to do something, now where people no expect. He uses the weak things to tell the things that are strong, you are not strong. He uses the foolish things to confuse the wise. How can you just go to Labour Party? Like, any right-thinking person will not say, the lifting of this man is God. Sincerely, I got to know his excellency during the last house of God. I don't know him before. I was like, do you know the people you want to fight with? Yakini was in my office. Yakini died was in my office at your church. I said, Yakini, you don't remember me today? He said, no, bless. I said, I will bless. Carry your money, they go. I don't need your money. I said, house of rent, you can't get it. It's between two alligators. They will fight themselves until there is no blood. He said with the alligators, I don't know in Anabata, there are two alligators. I said, you are not even near them, so you don't have to go. Go and contest as I will be willing to come to the mission. You came and asked me. Like, I knew the antecedents of the political struggle of representatives, that's what I said. So I was like, Labour Party, look at this young man. But listen to me. Who can keep a child against God's Spirit? By the special grace of God. There are some things I may not say on this altar, but there is nothing happening in this local government that God in His mercy does not reveal them to me. When the former Deputy Govunor was coming in, I saw it, and I told people, I said, I don't know. And he came. And I publicly told people I will support him. Because if I support him, it's wickedness. We show them 8 years governor. You, Esako, show them Esako, 8 years deputy. Then 8 years again, you are coming back again. Like Akoko, are we dogs? I said, this relationship must stop. This relationship must stop. It was Donald who we have brought. I have the video of Donald. It was Solo that brought Donald to the mountain. He came. He said, help me, man of God. Emilio, he has capacity not to me. I said, who is Emilio? I met Emilio in the function in Olodia's mother's bed. And he told me he would come to see me. He didn't come, I became angry. I collected the seat. Emilio is contesting against. I said, I love this kind of one. Because this one told me he's coming, he didn't come. And one, Emilio asked them, what are Donald? Donald only came to try House of Assembly. Today is Donald not there. What is the part I'm to play? My own is to be on my knees and be praying. Lord, as people are going for party, primary campaign, there should be no accidents, there should be no death, there should be no violence, there should be no bloodshed. That's my part to play. As a prophet of God, if there is danger tomorrow, I should be able to see it. I say, hey, tomorrow morning, stay at home. In the afternoon, be in the house. When you go to the meeting, don't eat there. That's my responsibility. The prayer of everybody in this local government will work for you. The prayer of all our
For talk session with Tori people on the reason for the Thanksgiving, Omobayo come talk say in elevation to the position of Deputy Governor, na Baba God work, that's na why he come give thanks. He cost the talk say.
Of course, you have been following me. I said God used him as a material medium. You know what a material medium means? Yes, to get this done for Akoko Edo. Until he finished, God kept it in his heart that Akoko Edo must be on the world map, and I want to thank him. You can see you have been following for the past days. Obaseki is in the news. It's more than what this decision alone has even tripled his popularity. So we want to thank him. One thing is there's a saying that may your loyalty not be tested, but when it comes to Godwin Obaseki, it is only what he say I should do, I will do. I may only just suggest to him what he should or he must hear, but I will not take it beyond that.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Akoko Edo local government area of Edo State, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.